Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing M1 Finance Journey episode 3. So today actually marks the third official week that I have been on the platform. And so we're just going to be covering all my gains, all my losses so far, and let's just get right into it. But before we actually get into this video, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys are interested in following kind of every single step of my journey on M1 Finance, go follow my Instagram in the description. I provide a lot more information about my pie, and as well, if you're interested, there is a link to my full pie in the description below at the top of the description. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, we're going to be doing episode 3 of my M1 Finance series. So it is currently October the 7th, and we are 3 weeks in officially to my journey on M1 Finance, and it has been going really well for me so far. Honestly, I do like this platform a lot. It has officially been about a month since I switched over from Robinhood, and is the switch worth it? So far, it has been for me. I personally like this platform, especially for just trading simple stocks. For options and things like that, Robinhood definitely is the way to go, and if you're kind of more of a hands-on type person, Robinhood is 100% the way to go. But M1 Finance is still a fine platform. But if you guys would maybe like to see me do a Robinhood series, definitely let me know in the comments below. Let me know on Instagram. You could DM me. I usually answer my DMs. Link to my Instagram in the description. But anyways, so this is episode 3 of my M1 Finance series. Currently, where I live right now, it is almost 1 p.m. So the market closes in about an hour and a half. So let's just get right into it here. So one thing has changed from the previous episode, and I am actually gaining now. I am not losing, because on my last episode, I was about $1,192, I believe, in portfolio value, maybe $1,198, but this was from a $1,200 initial investment. So far I'm up $9.51. As I said before, that's because of the dividends. They have not been added to my account yet. $3.37 in dividends, which is pretty good for 3 weeks on the platform. And I have returned 0.82% in 3 weeks on M1 Finance, which is pretty good, honestly, especially because these last few months, especially for the stock market, have been kind of rough. But, you know, I've just kind of tried to adapt my portfolio and try to make it still gain even through those bad months or bad weeks, bad days, anything like that. So, yeah, since the first episode, I've added a lot more REITs to my portfolio. I would say it's closer to half REITs and half stocks. And before it was just kind of all stocks. I never added any REITs to my portfolio when it was brand new. But here we have O, and I have EPR, and I have EPRT, and those are the REITs that I have, and they are performing beautifully, honestly. And I hope that they will continue to grow. One thing I notice is that when stocks are down, usually REITs are up, so that's why my REITs have been up, and this S&P 500 index fund has been down. This has been a rough couple months for SPY, because SPY has been just kind of on a steady decline, just because the market has been kind of bad, and especially with October being one of the notoriously bad months of the stock market, that's kind of rough. But I'm definitely not going to sell SPY, because I do have confidence that it will go back up, even though it has lost 2% in the past few weeks. But here, these REITs are performing beautifully. I'm up 3.16% on O. Now currently I'm up 2.88% on Apple, which before on the last episode I believe I was down. I don't really remember how much I was down, but I remember I was definitely down. I was down on most of these positions, and now it's kind of closer to 50-50, and it actually looks like it is about 50-50. I have 7 losers and I have 6 gainers, but the gainers are also significantly bigger than the losers. So I see that as a win in my book. And yeah, I added some long-term bonds here. These have been here for a while, just to kind of preserve the longevity of my portfolio. You know, I still have a bunch of the original stocks that I started out with. I've just done some moving around. I haven't messed with the percentages at all since the last episode. I've just kind of let it sit, leave it. I haven't deposited anything yet, which I plan to in the near future. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say in this video. Before I go, I just want to say that the thumbnails of these videos, I have the red numbers on the previous 2 episodes because my stocks were in the red and I wasn't gaining then. But this thumbnail will be green, which is really, really good. So if you see a green thumbnail, that means that I am gaining. See a red thumbnail, that means that I'm losing. So just wanted to clear that up. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click the little notification bell to get notified of when I upload. I've been trying to upload fairly frequently on this channel, and I just really hope you guys have been enjoying this. It seems like you guys have really been enjoying my M1 Finance series. I've gotten a lot of support on those videos, which I really do appreciate. It means a lot to me. And you know, if you want to keep up with my M1 Finance pie, maybe not day by day, but you know, every couple days or so, definitely go follow my Instagram, link in the description. If you guys are interested in joining M1 Finance, don't forget to click my referral link in the description and you will get $10, and so will I. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next one.